How to connect an external backend in our FlutterFlow? Can we connect another backend instead of Firebase in our FlutterFlow? Hi, I am Gaurav from KnowHow Academy. So, we know we can connect Firebase in our FlutterFlow very easily because it provides direct integration. So, the question is, can we use another backend instead of Firebase? The answer is yes. So, before moving further, let me tell you first what you will learn in this video. In this video, we are going to connect our FlutterFlow with an external backend. We will connect our FlutterFlow with a low-code backend technology. We will learn how to get and retrieve the data from an external backend, which is Xano. So first, we will go to our browser and search Xano. Here is our website. I will click on this link, and here I will click on login. If you don't have an account, you can create one from here. And Xano is completely free. So here I will enter my email, and here I will enter my password. So this is our Xano dashboard. And in the database, first I will create a table. You can import one or enter data manually. So I will create a table, places. I have created the table name places, and below you can see a checkbox is checked, add basic CRUD endpoints. So when I will add the table, so we have our default columns ready, ID and created ad. And if you go to API, here our endpoints are already created. You don't have to create any endpoint. This is our get, this is our post, this is delete, and get by ID and patch function. So now I will go to my database. In my table, I will create a column which will be of type image, and I will name it image and name, and here I will generate a record by adding an image. Here is my image and I am naming it Eiffel Tower. Now, and here on our API group, I will select this one and click on run and debug. So here is our result. Here is our column ID, created ad, name, and image and images metadata in our JSON response. So now to add our API call, I will copy the endpoint URL, and here I will create an API call. I will add the URL here and name it get all places. And after that, when I click on test API call, here I am getting my response, and here I can add it and name the variable. And name, and for the image, I just want the image URL. I will copy it and paste and click on add call. After that, I will display it in a card. So in our column, I will take a card, and elevation will be 2, color will be alternate, and in my card I will add a row, and in my card I will add padding of 10. Also in the row, padding will be 10. And now in my row I will add an image to display my image and the text, and the item spacing will be 20, and the image size will be 100 and 100. After that, in my column I will add the backend query, and here I will select API call, which will be get all places and confirm. Now in my dynamic children, I will add this response and I will select JSON path and click on confirm, and it will name places. When I click on save, the children will be generated. So here I want to display the name, which will be the places item, and here it will be JSON path and dot name, and my image will be my image path, here JSON path dot image dot URL. So here we have set our image path and the column name too. Now when I click on test, so in our test mode, our image is being displayed and the name is here. Now, if I go to my database and here I add a new record image and enter the record here. Now, when I click on instant reload, so now there are two images being displayed here and the name too. So in this video, we learned how to connect an external backend in our FlutterFlow. We learned about Xano, created the table in Xano and databases, and we implemented Xano APIs in our FlutterFlow app. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your IT source. We are always there to help you navigate to the tech world. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. So stay curious and keep learning.